Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the card, now confirm the essentials. First, check the printed 16-digit card number, 3-digit CVV and expiry. These are required for online checkout. Once done, verify the balance through the ICCICI card portal, mobile app, or SMS balance service so you know available funds. Make sure the merchant accepts the card network and that the card is activated. If it isn't, follow the on-screen activation steps or call customer care. This prevents rejections at payment time. Now you execute the payment. For point of sale, present the card and choose chip, swipe, or contactless. Follow the terminal prompts and enter the PIN if requested. For online purchases, type the 16-digit number, expiry, and CVV plus the billing name and address. Mismatches cause declines. If the purchase exceeds the card balance, use split payment at checkout or apply another card. Once complete, save the receipt and any OTP or authorization code. These prove the charge and finish by confirming the transaction posted and checking the remaining balance immediately in the app or via SMS so you can plan next steps. If a refund is due, note that merchants typically return funds to the original gift card. Track timing and policy. If a payment fails, don't panic. First, recheck card digits, CVV, expiry, and available balance, then confirm the merchant accepts the card network. If it still fails, contact ICCICI customer care with the transaction reference. That's the fastest way to resolve disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.